Make affiliate marketing work for you with these tips. As fun as planning for the success of your online business may seem, it is a very important reason to start creating an affiliate marketing strategy, even if you have a strategy already. These tips below can give you some advice on how to market your business smarter using affiliates. You should only promote affiliate products that add value to your visitors' lives. Promoting inferior products just to make a quick buck is one of the fastest ways to lose trust with your readers. Once that trust is broken, it is impossible to regain. However, if you focus on providing value in the products you recommend, your readers will come to trust your recommendations and will continue to buy from you again and again. Consider weekly or monthly prizes. Visitors will keep coming back to your site to see what the prize is. Don't forget to keep their interest by providing relevant information that they want to learn about. This is also a good way to get sign-ups to your newsletter. Tell them you will notify them about the prize through email. If you have a rapport with the people who visit your website, you can boost the performance of affiliate marketing by making personal endorsements. This does not work for all webmasters. If you run the kind of site where visitors get to know and trust you, though, your visitors may respond well to an honest endorsement from you. To increase profit, try to be as unique as possible when you are writing the text of your website. The more individualized you are, the better chance that you have to stand out from the pack. This will result in an increase in sales and more credibility for your organization. While planning to use affiliate marketing for your own online business is a lot of fun, you should feel better that you know how to do it. You can now apply your newly acquired knowledge either to refining your current marketing strategy or trying to create a completely new one. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.